Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm going to be giving you a counseling session about dental nutrition. The purpose for this counseling session is to help you identify and compare your diet to the recommended nutrition values and how the foods that you eat affect the health of your mouth. I will be informing you what changes in nutrition would be best for your mouth and how to prevent cavities. Let's take a look at your health history here. It says that you marked yes for currently drinking alcohol and currently using tobacco. How often do you drink alcohol?
Oh, about once or twice a week, usually.
Alright, well there are sugars in alcohol that can damage your tooth enamel. How often do you use tobacco?
Oh, I smoke a couple cigarettes every now and then, maybe a couple a week.
Well, they will cause lung cancer or oral cancer and contribute to plaque and discoloration on your teeth. Has anything I've informed you about already make you want to quit these habits?
Kind of, yes.
Okay, good. Drinking water or chewing sugarless gum after drinking and smoking will help decrease the sugars in your mouth. Do you know what plaque is?
No.
Plaque is white fuzzy stuff on your teeth. You should be brushing at about a 45-degree angle with your toothbrush with small circles to get rid of that plaque, because that will eventually lead to calculus, and that's hard deposits that form on your teeth from plaque, and you would need to get that removed at the dentist.
Okay.
Let's see here for your intra and extra oral exam. Let's take a look in your mouth. It looks like you have some fillings here. And you might have a slight case of gingivitis. How often are you brushing your teeth?
Oh, twice a day.
Okay, good. That's what you should be doing. Are you flossing?
Every now and then.
Okay, well you should be doing that at least once or twice a week. Do you ever have your gums bleed when you're brushing?
No.
Okay, well, if your gingivitis gets any worse, it could lead to that. The fillings in your mouth were previously caries, and they were probably caused by popping candy. Do you know what a cariogenic food is?
No.
It's a food that contains carbs that decrease salivary pH and promotes caries. Sugar is one of the top cariogenic foods. Do you know what the caries process is?
No. Tell me more.
Well, there are 4 parts to this. First, you need a tooth surface for plaque and food to cling to. That's the white fuzzy stuff. You will need saliva, and then lots of cariogenic microorganisms, and all of these equal caries. So food plus bacteria equals acid, and acid creates decay.
Really?
Yep. Alright, so I asked you to highlight what foods you thought were cariogenic. Now I will show you what I circled versus what you circled. So, on day 1, all the cariogenic foods that you ate were grape jelly, toast, cheese, juice, milk, bread, ketchup, milk, corn, strawberry applesauce, peanut butter and jelly, bread, chocolate milk, some more milk. The second day you had milk on the cereal, chocolate milk, cereal, tortilla shell, cottage cheese, rice, lime, chocolate milk, bread, milk, and then on the last day you had jelly, toast, milk, cereal, milk. The taco pizza you ate was all included in that: strawberries, potatoes, bun, cheese, pop, and then some more milk.
I didn't know there was that many.
Yep, so you were surprised on what was karyogenic?
Yes, very.
Okay. Well, non-karyogenic foods would be foods that contain fats and proteins. They do not promote decay. The foods I had you circled are karyogenic because they're high in sugar and or are processed foods. Do you know what a complex carbohydrate is, or what an empty calorie is?
No, I don't.
Alright, well, a complex carb is a polysaccharide, which is starch or fiber, and examples are brown rice, whole grain bread, cereal, whole wheat pasta, fruits, and vegetables. Empty calories are calories from solid fats and added sugars, and examples of those are pizza, cake, cookies, cheese, ice cream, bacon, and hot dogs. So let's take a look at your nutrient intake here. On day 1, you went way over on the dairy group, and you need more fruit, vegetable, and grain. You were allowed 3,200 calories, and you ate 3,704 calories. So you went over. On day 2, you were allowed the same, 3,200 calories, and you ate 2,958, so you had 242 remaining. And once again, you were over on dairy and could have eaten some more fruit, vegetables, and grain. And then on day 3, you were allowed 3,200, and you ate 3,669, and you went over. And then also you did go over on the same dairy, and then you need more fruit, vegetables, and grain. You do not meet the My Plate requirements. You need to be eating more fruits, vegetables, and grain. Examples of the fruits that you could be eating are bananas, strawberries, watermelon, and apples. Vegetables would be green beans, broccoli, potatoes, corn. And then for grains, that would be pasta, breads, and crackers. You are over in the daily recommended portion of dairy. So do you like, or would you like to think about adding any of these foods that I just mentioned into your daily diet?
Yeah, I could add those in my diet.
What specific ones would you like to add?
Let's see. There's a lot to choose from.
Well, I just mentioned, like, do you like bananas?
Yeah, I like bananas. They're really good.
So maybe potatoes and corn, or pasta.
Yeah, those are
breads.
pretty good.
Okay, sounds good. So what did you learn in this activity?
Well, let's see. I'd say I've had to learn about,
Like, what did I teach you?
you taught me to eat better foods that are better for my teeth, so I won't get cavities. You tell me how to floss more regularly than I usually do, and I should add more grains and fruits and vegetables to my diet, and that I'm eating too much dairy products.
Very good. Alright, well, I hope this counseling session will influence your eating habits better.
Okay.